Lonsec wishes to remind that the information we provide on our portfolios is general advice, and we encourage investors to read the PDS or seek professional advice prior to making any decisions on their investments.
Hi, I'm Martin McGrath from Financial Edge Group. Today, we're fortunate enough to be sitting down with one of the experts in the industry. We work very closely with Lonsec, and we're fortunate to have Lucas to help kind of answer some questions about what's happening in the market at the moment. And so let's dive into some questions with Lucas. So Lucas, the markets have returned pretty positive returns in the last kind of 6 to 12, 18 months on the back of pretty volatile times. Will this continue? What's happening in the market? Where do you guys see things at the moment?
Yeah, returns across most asset classes, if you look over the last 6 to 12 months, have been fantastic. So it's been a great outcome for most clients out there. Certainly, from our perspective, returns have surpassed expectations. I think if we look ahead, there are, I guess, some red flags starting to appear in terms of the market. That's not to say that returns may not continue to go as they are. But if you think about what has driven markets over the past 6 months, you've had very supportive central banks. So effectively, central banks have done everything to ensure markets are stable. You've had very low interest rates. So if you're a company looking to borrow money and what have you, the cost of borrowing has been very low. And overall, earnings generated by a lot of companies has been very strong. So it's really been a culmination of a variety of things that have supported markets. Now, looking ahead, what we are seeing is that central banks are looking at maybe tapering some of the support they've been providing markets. Interest rates, there is a question mark at the moment as to will interest rates go up. They've been at historical lows. And earnings, we've had some record earnings and whether that's sustainable. So the three things that have really propelled markets, there's a few questions going ahead. So I think what we'll see is more volatility in markets, more dispersion between the winners and losers, whereas, go back several years, everything went up. And so you are going to have to be a lot more selective in terms of where you invest in.